A date brimming with shattering battles, astonishing inventions, and even a few sneaky coups. Hello, fearless time hoppers, and welcome to Today in History for soon April. We've lined up 20 epic tales so intriguing, you'll be raving about them at your next trivia showdown. If cosmic twists, daring explorers, and cosmic achievements ignite your curiosity, then hit subscribe now. Ready to leap across centuries in a single bound? Buckle up, this time warp's about to begin. Number 20. On 2nd April 1513, Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de León first sighted Florida, believing it an island. This botanical paradise soon morphed into a hotly contested battleground of European empires. Number 19. On 2nd April 1559, France and Spain signed the Peace of Cateau-Cambrésis, halting decades of conflict across Italy. Although fleeting, it momentarily relieved Europe's war-weary monarchs from endless territorial bickering. Number 18. On 2nd April 1800, Ludwig van Beethoven debuted his First Symphony in Vienna's Burgtheater, captivating audiences with bold harmonies. Critics found it eccentric, but history crowned Beethoven a musical titan. Number 17. On 2nd April 1792, the U.S. Coinage Act established the mint and authorized coins and denominations like the dollar, eagle, and cent, launching the fledgling republic's monetary system with shiny optimism. Number 16. On 2nd April 1801, Admiral Horatio Nelson's fleet clashed with Denmark at the Battle of Copenhagen. Despite ferocious defenses, Nelson's decisive maneuvering forced the Danes into a truce, bolstering British naval might. Number 15. On 2nd April 1863, Richmond, Virginia, erupted in the bread riots as starving women looted shops. Confederate officials scrambled to quell chaos, revealing the South's deepening desperation amid the Civil War. Number 14. On 2nd April 1865, Union forces broke Confederate lines at Petersburg, Virginia, forcing Robert E. Lee's retreat. This collapse set in motion Lee's surrender and the Civil War's looming conclusion. Number 13. On 2nd April 1917, President Woodrow Wilson urged Congress to declare war on Germany, pitching America into World War I. His "World Safe for Democracy" call ignited fierce national debates. Number 12. On 2nd April 1912, RMS Titanic successfully completed her sea trials off Belfast. Proud designers proclaimed her unsinkable, oblivious to the looming iceberg tragedy just days away on her maiden voyage. Number 11. On 2nd April 1972, Charlie Chaplin returned to the United States after 2 decades of exile to accept an honorary Oscar, surprising fans who adored his silent-era comedic genius. Number 10. On 2nd April 1982, Argentina invaded the Falkland Islands, launching a brief but intense war with Britain. This bold gamble over a remote archipelago still fuels heated diplomatic debates today. Number 9. On 2nd April 2005, Pope John Paul II passed away in Vatican City, ending a papacy marked by global travels, interfaith outreach, and transformative influence on Catholic life across continents. Number 8. On 2nd April 1992, notorious mob boss John Gotti was convicted in New York, sealing the Teflon Don's downfall. His flamboyant persona proved no match for the FBI's dogged investigations. Number 7. On 2nd April 2002, Israeli forces besieged Bethlehem's Church of the Nativity during Operation Defensive Shield. The tense standoff dragged on for weeks, highlighting the region's simmering Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Number 6. On 2nd April 1968, Stanley Kubrick's iconic film 2001: A Space Odyssey premiered in Washington, D.C. Its dazzling visuals and cryptic monolith redefined sci-fi cinema and perplexed audiences for generations. Number 5. On 2nd April 1956, As the World Turns and The Edge of Night debuted on CBS, pioneering half-hour soap operas. Their riveting storylines soon addicted daytime viewers craving dramatic showdowns. Number 4. On 2nd April 1978, The TV series Dallas premiered on CBS, unleashing oil-rich feuds and Ewing family intrigues. This primetime soap captivated audiences worldwide with betrayals, plot twists, and big hats. Number 3. On 2nd April 1805, Danish storyteller Hans Christian Andersen was born. His enduring fairy tales from The Little Mermaid to The Ugly Duckling sparked imaginations and shaped children's literature forever. Number 2. On 2nd April 2015, gunmen stormed Kenya's Garissa University College, killing 148. The attack underscored persistent extremist threats in East Africa and fueled debates on regional security and counterterrorism measures. Number 1. On 2nd April 2017, Lenin Moreno clinched Ecuador's presidency, succeeding Rafael Correa. His narrow victory promised a citizens' revolution continuity, but soon unleashed fresh policy reforms and political surprises. That's the lowdown on 2nd April's roller coaster of rebellions, icons, and epic showdowns. If these tales knocked your socks off, smash that subscribe button and bring your friends along for tomorrow's date. Rumor has it we've got even more cosmic bombshells and cunning conspiracies brewing. Ready for your next deep dive into hidden secrets that'll leave your jaw on the floor? Buckle up and come back soon. Another day, another mind-blowing chapter awaits.